Nepal, formerly the Federal Democratic Republic of Nepal, is a landlocked country in South Asia. Mongolia is a landlocked country in East Asia, bordered by Russia to the north and China to the south. This is another episode of military comparison between Nepal versus Mongolia. So let's begin. At first, global rank of Nepal is 119, whereas rank of Mongolia is 102. Kathmandu is the capital city of Nepal, whereas Ulaanbaatar is the capital of Mongolia. After this, the GDP nominal of Nepal is $45.21 billion, whereas GDP of Mongolia is $15.720 billion. The population of Nepal is 30.4 million, whereas population of Mongolia is 3.4 million. Vidya Devi Bhandari is the President of Nepal, whereas Ukhnagin Khurelsukh is the President of Mongolia. After this, defense budget of Nepal is $213 million, whereas defense budget of Mongolia is $155 million. Let's see how capable is ground force of both the countries. The Nepalese armed force has total 95,000 active personnel, whereas Mongolian armed force has 9,000 active personnel. Coming to reserve personnel, the Nepalese armed force has 0 reserve personnel, whereas Mongolian armed force has 50,000 reserve personnel. The Nepalese armed force has 10,000 paramilitary forces, whereas Mongolian armed force has also 10,000 paramilitary force. Nepalese armed force has 0 combat tanks, whereas Mongolian armed force has more than 470 combat tanks. Nepalese armed force has total 350 plus armored vehicles compared to Mongolian armed force, which has 770 plus armored vehicles. Nepalese armed force has 224 plus MRAP, whereas Mongolian armed force has 0 MRAP. Nepalese armed force has 76 plus APC compared to Mongolian armed force, which has 210 plus APC. Nepalese armed force has 0 mobile rocket projectors, whereas Mongolian armed force has 140 plus mobile rocket projectors. Nepalese armed force has total 20 plus artilleries, whereas Mongolian armed force has 300 plus artilleries. Now let's see how powerful is the air power of both the countries. Nepali Air Force has more than 15 aircrafts compared to Mongolian Air Force, which has more than 12 aircrafts. Nepali Air Force has 0 attack aircrafts, whereas Mongolian Air Force has also 0 attack aircrafts. Nepali Air Force has 0 fighter jets, whereas Mongolian Air Force has also 0 fighter jets. Nepali Air Force has 0 trainers aircraft compared to Mongolian Air Force, which has more than 2 trainers in its inventory. Nepali Air Force has more than 5 transport aircrafts, whereas Mongolian Air Force has 3 plus transport aircrafts. Nepali Air Force has total 9 plus helicopters, whereas Mongolian Air Force has 6 plus helicopters. Both Nepali and Mongolian Air Force have 0 attack helicopters. At last, everyone knows that both are landlocked countries, hence they don't have navy.